What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? Do watch a tutorial video, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook Messenger's login problem. So basically, this problem occurs when you try to log into your Messenger account and it just doesn't opens up, and there's multiple reasons behind this, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's get into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to log into our account. Make sure that the account you try to log into is not banned, because if the account you try to log into is banned, then it's not gonna open up, and doing anything is not gonna fix it, because until and unless Facebook decides to unban it, you can't log into it. And if it is blocked for some days or like suspended for some days, you need to wait for until your account gets unsuspended, otherwise you can't do anything. All right, and if it is not caused by those problems and you're still unable to log into your account, then what you need to do is you need to go to your Play Store and your App Store to check if a Messenger is up to date. On my screen it shows open over here, but if it said update instead of open, I need to update my Messenger. So make sure your Messenger is up to date. And even after updating your Messenger, if it still doesn't fix the problem, the next step is you go to setting, scroll a bit down, click on general, go on iPhone storage. Over here, search for Messenger. Once you see Messenger, you want to click on Messenger, click on offload app, click on offload app. And what offloading your app in Messenger means, you're just deleting all the cache and data of Messenger stored in your phone. And click on reinstall app and your Messenger will reinstall again. Alright, once your Messenger finishes reinstalling, you need to open your Messenger and your problem should be fixed. And if it still doesn't fix as a problem, the next step is just restart your phone. Sometimes the easiest way to fix some problem in your phone is to restart your phone, because your phone sometimes is overclocked, which means a lot of app is being used in your phone. So just like switching it off, switching it on again is simply gonna fix the problem. If it still doesn't fix as a problem, make sure to check if your internet connection is slow or not. Sometimes due to your slow internet connection, your Facebook Messenger said login error. So make sure to check if your internet connection is slow or not. If your internet connection is slow, make sure to use your data connection, or try to use the data connection to log in into your Facebook account. It should work. So that's how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.